Hi guys, we are back to our channel. Today we talk about French doors and sliding doors. Which one is better? This topic will get pretty heated quick in a debate. We make sure you think both every day. But do you know what they are made of? What are the differences? Maybe you don't know. French doors and sliding doors are popular for entryway to new homes. They offer the protection to aid curb appeal and bring attention to your entryway design. Well, actually, the debate has been ranging for many years. The two types offer different benefits, and depending on what are you looking indoors. Both have pros and cons. So let's get started and take a quick tour for both French and sliding doors to understand better what makes them so unique. Which one should you choose? Now, come with us. Let's just start from the French doors. In fact, French doors are the most common type in modern homes. They consist of two sets of vertical glass panels, typically consist of two hinge doors that swing open from the center. In some cases, one of the panels may be fixed in place, while the other is operable as a single door. When deciding between French doors and sliding doors, both of them can be made from aluminum, PVC, or wood. Available in many styles, including traditional and contemporary. Have an inside window between the two sides of doors. It allows natural light to come through and provide a visual connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. As for the types, do you really know about the French doors? There are 6 types we'll introduce to you in the next. As you see, French doors are available in different types, styles, and sizes. There are 6 basic French doors we're gonna introduce. For example, single in swinging, double in swinging, doubles that swing out, central hinge in swinging, single slider, and telephone scope slider. Single in swinging. The door swinging inward can be used as both entrance and exit. It's often used to bathroom or patio. Double in swinging. The door opening inward has 2 separate pairs, slide together when closed. They are usually installed on smaller doors where space may be limited. Double that swing out. They are similar to those opening inward, but one exception. They open outward instead of inward. The panels slide together when the door is closed and make a continuous panel at the top and bottom edges. Central hinge in swinging. The type of swing inward and hinge in the center is commonly used to kitchens or bathroom because they take up less floor space. Single slider, sliding horizontal across an opening like a sliding glass door. They offer easy of use, used in apartments, condos, and condominiums because of the limited space. Telescoping slider, 2 separate panels sliding together when closed. It's similar to a double sliding door, except that both panels retract inside and frame when open instead of outside as a standard slider door does. So that's all about French doors. Let's move it to the next part. It's about our sliding type. Sliding doors are a type of sliding back and forth on the track. Perfect choice for space where you want to make the most of you, but also great for rooms that do not have too much space. When deciding between French doors and sliding doors, you will know the sliding doors are also available in various styles and colors to suit any taste. Besides the easy operation, sliding door can be installed in any room without obstructing traffic flow through the house. Do not swing out into the room or block access to other areas. They offer the flexibility of being able to open from either side without damaging them or collecting up space inside your home. Refolding doors. Folding door type can be used as entrance, exit, or as a room dividers. They consist of the two panel folding like accordions into a single panel, found in commercial space such as stores and banks, usually, but also be used in residential space like dining rooms and living room. Sliding patio doors use the same basic principle as the traditional sliding glass doors, but they have additional frame and the track system to provide greater security and stability. This is especially important if it is exposed to weather conditions such as rain or snow. Pocket sliding doors. Pocket types are easily recognized by their unique design, including pocket-like space between two panels sliding open and closed. Pocket doors are typically found in closet, kitchens, and bathroom. Stack sliding doors. Stack type have two panels sliding on track. The track typically have center rail running along each panel's top and bottom. Each panel is attached to this center rail with a pin sliding into place when the door opens and locks into place when it is closed. Bypass sliding doors. Bypass tapers are one of the most popular types of sliding doors. Two panels sliding past each other on the track or rail system at the top and bottom of the door frame. They are typically used for patio porches and other outdoor areas, but also be used to center an indoor room divider or separate room in a house. If you have any questions, please leave your comment below. We will be glad to receive your feedback. Cost. A great way to get the look of traditional French doors without the cost. Custom made, the cost can vary conditional depending on the type of door, the size, the style you choose. The price of sliding types are usually lower than hinging and swinging ones. The price of simple sliding doors are lower than other types of sliding ones, but they can be more expensive than other types of doors, including bifold and trifold doors security. The French doors typically have a higher level of security than others because they are usually made with double pane glass. It makes it difficult for burglars to break into the house. Sometimes, French doors locks fail to lock properly, leaving your home vulnerable and the theft or vandalism. Provide privacy and security for rooms that need to be closed off from the rest of the house. They can also be used to divide rooms without having to cut holes through walls or ceilings. Where some sliding doors come with built-in blinds or curtain walls, they do not offer the same privacy as hinged doors. Space. Great at adding more space to room without having a build or remodel your created space. Help you increase the value of your house by adding square footage. Take up quite a few space like washing room or storage. That's the biggest downside to French doors. Perfect way to add a sleek, modern touch to any room. Their sleek design is both stylish and practical, allowing for easy movement of furniture or other objects. While sliding doors take a less space, they are generally larger than other types of doors. Take up more space in your room or hallway. Design. Balance province with openness in any room by choosing an opening style design. Allow you to see through into another room while still keep things private if desired. Typically made of aluminum with glass panel on both sides of the door. This makes them very heavy and difficult to move around when needed. Easy to open and close. Install them on interior or exterior of the home. If the frame is not square, it will cause your door to bend or stick when it slides open or closed. Energy efficiency. French door insulation will help prevent drafts, make your home quiet. The insulating capability of this type doors vary depending on where they were manufactured and how thick the glass is. Squeak sound can be very annoying when trying to walk through a room where there is a squeak door. But sliding doors do not make any noise when opening or closing them. If sliding doors are located on an exterior portion of your home with less insulation, they will not be energy efficient as interior doors. Ventilation. Multiple panes of glass or panels, sliding open and close at any point along the length of the door for maximum ventilation. They do not insulate as well as solid doors and windows. Lose heat in winter and cool air during the summer months. Sliding doors can improve the flow of the land and the air throughout your home while providing privacy. When the weather is warm and humid outside, it can be stick to its track and squeak loudly as the sliding open or closed. Repair and maintenance. Easy to clean. Cause no wears on tops. The glass panel can be removed so you can wash them with soap and water, or use a spare cleaner and paper towels to wipe them down. Because they are made up of multiple panels, French doors are more likely to break than single-pane windows. Easy to clean. They do not have any nooks or crannies where dust and dirt can collect. A cracked piece of glass may look fine from the outside, but it can easily break during use if it is not fixed immediately. If you are looking for a new door for your home, you may be faced with the decision of whether to go with a sliding glass door or a French door. Both have pros and cons, but it's crucial to choose the one that best fits your needs. Sliding glass doors are usually made of glass panels that slide open and closed on track in the door frame. They are typically better suited to homes with plenty of natural land, since they have no solid section. This makes them great for people who want lots of sunlight in their home, but do not want to spend the time cleaning up after pets. On the other hand, French doors are better suited for people who want to separate rooms within their house. French doors can include a solid panel that can be used to keep pets out of certain rooms or even keep children from wandering around outside by themselves. French door frames are generally easy to install, providing more space in the room, better for more applications than sliding doors. However, sliding doors look neat and more streamlined. If you focus on the sleekness of your home, consider installing sliding patio doors. Now, if you really want to know more about French door and sliding door, you will definitely want to visit wanjiadw.com. You can know all the relative information from that website. Anyway, if you are interested in those doors, please feel free to leave your comments below and consult with Wanjia. You can ask them for quotation before choosing them. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.